Welcome to today's daily message. Throughout this week, I've been discussing ways that we can overcome the divisiveness that is so prevalent in our country and sometimes even occurs within our own communities, our own families, and our own parish. Today, I want to make a suggestion that we think about being civil and respectful when we engage in dialogue with other people. When I watch TV, especially the opinion shows, I notice that when people criticize the views of others, they say more than just that they disagree with them. They actually demean or threaten or think that the other side is up to something or that the other side is somehow evil. I sometimes post responses to articles on social media, and some of the things that I read there, in some of those things, not only do those respondents disagree with me or disagree with somebody else, but they call them names, they insult them, they mock them, and sometimes even threaten those with whom they disagree. What this does, the effect that this has, is that it shuts down communication. It doesn't promote communication. It simply dehumanizes those with whom we disagree. I propose as an alternative, suggest as an alternative, that when we engage in conversation with others, that we criticize their view without criticizing them as a person, that we be more civil and respectful, even when we disagree. And the main reason for this, and it's something that has to do with our Christian faith, the main reason why I suggest this is because when we look at the person that we disagree with, we can and should see them as a person. That person whom we are engaging in conversation with deserves respect, just as we deserve respect for our views. And so I'm simply suggesting that a way for us to overcome this great divisiveness that is so prevalent is simply to be more civil, to be respectful, to disagree all day. That's a healthy thing. But to do so in a spirit that encourages the search for truth rather than the hurling of insults. Thank you very much for watching today, and have a great day.